How to manage your orders in CustomCat. Congratulations on your first sale. Now that you've made your first sale, it's time to learn how to manage your orders efficiently through CustomCat. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to track, modify, and process your orders, so you can stay on top of your fulfillment process with ease. Let's get started. Once your customer places an order on your e-commerce platform, it automatically syncs to CustomCat. To track the progress of your orders, simply log in to your CustomCat account and head over to the Orders tab in the left navigation menu. Then, select your store. After this, you will be taken to the Orders page. Your orders are organized into two main queues, the Pending Orders queue and the Error queue. Let's start with Pending Orders. When an item is available for fulfillment, it enters the Pending Orders queue. CustomCat automatically processes orders every 2 hours, as long as automatic processing is enabled, which is the default setting. On this page, you can click Edit, or just click into the order to view additional information and make alterations if needed. From here, you can view and edit order details, such as the shipping address, shipping method, and item quantity. You can also click Edit Product to adjust the color, size, and design of the items, or even swap out products if needed. If you need to process the order manually, simply click the green arrow or use the bulk selection tool to process multiple orders at once. If you need to cancel an order, click the red X. Keep in mind, though, that canceling an order in CustomCat does not automatically refund your customer. Be sure to cancel the order on both CustomCat and your e-commerce platform to complete the process. Now, if there's an issue with the order, it may end up in the error queue. Orders could be flagged for several reasons, such as an out-of-stock item, an invalid address, or a payment failure. If the issue is an out-of-stock item, you can either wait for it to restock or modify the order. Note that orders will only auto-process after restocking if your store settings allow for that. For other errors, such as a rejected design or a payment issue, you can resolve the problem and then manually process the order by clicking the green arrow. Once an order is processed, it moves to your Processed Orders list. Here you can filter and search orders by order number, status, or a custom date range. You also have the option to download your orders as a CSV file by clicking the Download button. In the Processed Orders list, you'll see orders that are now in production. Depending on the status of the order, you may still be able to make some changes. If the order is awaiting production, it hasn't been printed yet, so you can modify the shipping address or method before it ships. If you need to pause or cancel the order, you can do so at this stage. If you choose to cancel, you'll receive a full refund. You can also click Pause Order if you still need time to make adjustments. Once an order is in production, the printing process has started. You can still modify the shipping address or method, but if you want to cancel the order at this point, you'll be responsible for the product cost. Only the shipping cost will be refunded. Finally, when the order is shipped, you'll see a tracking link. This tracking number will also be sent to your e-commerce platform, which will trigger shipping notifications to your customer. And that's it! You've now learned how to manage orders in CustomCat. For more tutorials, FAQs, and helpful tips, be sure to visit CustomCat.com.